Good day, everyone. I am Dan Marcus Monkey. I'm going to tell you a story today. The story is all about my grandma, Mamita. Let's go. 6 years old, Grandma is only child. She is now in grade 1. She lives with her grandma. She calls her grandma Mamita. Ganda's parents are in America. Grandma Mamita takes care of him. She loves Ganda very much. Grandma Mamita and Ganda are very good friends. They play games together, they watch TV together, they read books together, they do lots of things together. Every day, Grandma Mamita takes Ganda to school. Grandma kisses and hugs Ganda. At noon, Grandma Mamita picks up Ganda from school. They walk home together. Sometimes they pass by a grocery store to buy goodies and for Ganda. Grandma Mamita buys some grapes. They green apples, guava, jelly, and crackers. Ganda helps Grandma prepare food for dinner. Oh, how they love to do things together. Oh my God. She runs into Grandma's room and into the kitchen, but Grandma Mamita is not there. Ganda cries. She cries and cries. Grandma! Grandma! Uncle Gabi comes and say in a sad voice, Grandma is sick. She is in the hospital. No Grandma to take her to school. No Grandma to kiss and hug her. No Grandma to read her a story. Then she say a prayer for Mamita. Dear God, please get Mamita soon. I will love my Mamita. I really do. Not long after, Grandma, it's you. My Mamita, I'm glad you're back home. Ganda is in her Grandma Mamita's arms again. And that's all for today's story. Thank you.